Alright, this is going to be Lesson 4 Video 1. Go ahead and just restart the application here. So what we can see is we have an add button here. We can start out with an entry. We notice that, if we save, it's going to ask for validation, so we're going to give it those criteria. Okay, we save, and see it saves for us. Go back, it's down here. We long press, it highlights the entry. We can select multiple entries, and we can delete them. We can click on an entry. We can edit the entry, changes the color. And if we save, it saves it. And you can see it changed the information here. So that about does it for the features and functions of Lesson 4 and Video 1. Thank you.